friends, I am Ahmed Hassan and now you are watching Little King of News. So now in this video I will teach you how you can download hack version of any game, file or application that available on Play Store. But application on Play Store are originals. They are not hacked version. They are simple walkthrough play game. But if you want some instant hack or a hack version of a game, so you need an application name happymood.apk because it's a application of Android phone, that's why it's apk. So this application is not available on Google Play Store because it is illegal app. Illegal why? Because in this application you can install a hacked version applications or files or something. So hacking is a cybercrime. That's why Happy Mood application is not available on Play Store, but it's available on Google Chrome etc. matlab means on internet. So how to install? Because it's not available on Play Store, so now it's not a difficult task for you. You have to open your Google Chrome or what. So you have to go to the Chrome, type here happy mood dot apk or just happy mode. So now there is some website, they have that application. For example, this is first application. First website is officially from happymode.com and so on. So I'm trying from there. So it's very simple. You saw a green button having title download apk file. I just click on that icon. So now I have another page. When you scroll down you will see its size, it's all information when the last update arrived, and there is a download button 9.8 MB application size. So I click on that. Now downloading start. Now there is an warning, this type of file can harm for your device. Basically because it's not improved by Google, that's why it's showing here that it's can be harmful, but it's not possible. It's safe file, and I also using this file. I will show you. I already installed that. I am opening the file. So there is happy mode application. This is the surface and intro or menu of the happy mode. So you can see there is a lot of game that is available on Play Store, available here too. For Subway Surfer, there is only one result of Subway Surfer, but that's not actually only one. You can see here more modes of games. There are three more modes. So there is a percentage. This application has 34% working, 52 or 42. Did measurement according to the review of users, downloaders. So they all are working, but there's a percentage. So when I clicked here, I can download it. I can also vote it that decide this worked or not. So I already installed this. Now I am showing you how to play. It is a hacked version of Subway Surfer. In this mode, in this hacked version of, you can find many free coins, means unlimited coins, unlimited hoverboards, unlimited matlab everything's there are free and unlocked. You can see unlimited, I have keys, I have unlimited coins, I have unlimited hoverboards. So I also buy all these characters with this currency, with this money, and buy all support and upgrade everything. And I want to show you some gameplay. Unlimited, unlimited, everything is unlimited. And after this I will show you something new. Okay. When you jump and double jump, triple jump, you are able to jump as you want. Look, I'm flying in sky. No fear of that of failure because it's a head version, that's why it have unlimited things. With the speed of the hoverboard. Basically, it's not a hack because it's a whole speciality or power. And now he died. You can gain again with cheese. You have a limited cheese, so don't worry that you have failed. You are not failed. So it. That's it. I am trying to show you. That's not a sponsored video by happymode.com or not from anything, any kind of content I have. That's just information or informative video for you to download hacked version of. There is not only Subway Surfer mode, there is many types of applications that available on Play Store. You can find here also too. So now this is it in this video. So now like or not like, it's your own decision, but give me some favor, please subscribe. So if you don't like, someone be like, okay.